Welcome to the Alabama Forage Focus channel. This is Forage Drops, a weekly series produced by me, Dr. Liliane Silva. I work as a postdoctoral fellow at the Animal Science Department at Auburn University, and my goal with this series is to bring short videos on beef and forage topics with timely information. Today, we will be talking about soil testing your field. So just to get started, why should I soil test? The general recommendation is to soil test yearly, but most people ask why. The reason is because soil fertility will determine the ability of plants to emerge, establish, and grow. Therefore, issues with pH and soil fertility will impact forage yields and stand persistence over time. So, when you often address issues with soil fertility, you're increasing your standability to produce more and also to have longer persistence. Also, soil testing cost is low, and properly addressing soil fertility issues will most likely save money down the road. So in a minute, I'll be talking about collecting composite samples, and I just briefly want to explain what I mean by composite samples. So pretend this picture here is your field. So usually when we are collecting soil samples, we walk around the fields in zigzag and just go collecting soil samples in different points. So for example, here, there's 1 through 20, and 1 through 20 would be points that you would stop, collect, then walk a certain number of steps, stop on the next one, collect there, and so on and so forth. And depending on the size of your field, the number of samples that you're going to collect will vary. So when we are collecting soil samples, you can use a bucket and a shovel or a trowel to collect around 20 to 50 samples per field. And using that zigzag walking pattern just to make sure that you are going to have a good representative sample of that field. Then, once you collect all samples inside that bucket, make sure that you mix well. And after that, you should place around 1 pint into a soil sample box, which you can find these boxes on your extension county office, and ship that to the soil laboratory facility that you're going to be sending for analysis. So just a couple of comments here that are important. So usually samples should be taken to up to 8 inches depth. And when you are planting alfalfa, either in monoculture or interseeding into a grass stand, the recommendation is to soil sample to up to 15 inches. And I'll add some information here at the end of this video about that. So in general, when you just conducting a regular soil analysis, you can just do a routine analysis, which is going to give you information on the pH value, pK, magnesium and calcium concentrations on that soil. So what you receive back on the soil report is actually the recommendation for lime and fertilizer rates for a specific crop or the field that you're going to be analyzing based on that crop or those crop nutrient requirements to grow and produce a good forage yield. And this is one option where you can send your sample, soil sample should be analyzed, which is the Auburn University Alpha Laboratory. And you can check more information about its address at the aces.edu page. And this is what I had today for this Forage Drops video. Like I said, I will be putting on the description link here another video about how to soil sample when you're planting alfalfa and needing to soil sample deeper in the soil profile. So this is what I had for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Reach out through our page with questions or by my email. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and please subscribe to our YouTube page.